Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to bake a recipe. It is vanilla sponge cake, which is too soft and yummy and tasty and easy to prepare. So without delay, let's get into the video. For the sponge cake, the ingredients are all-purpose flour 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, powdered sugar that is, and then baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, salt a pinch, and that's vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, milk half cup, sunflower oil 1/4 cup, and then you need a whisk, a sieve, a beater, and these are my measuring cups. My 1 cup measures 250 ml. My measuring spoons, 1 teaspoon measures 5 ml, a baking brush, a spatula, a baking tin, and baking sheet. Now we are going to divide the ingredients to dry and wet ingredients. First we have to sieve all the dry to fine powder. Then blend them again with the whisk properly. So here I have nicely blended. I have sieved the powder, dry ingredients properly. And now the wet ingredients. Add in the eggs at a time. First, you have to beat them in normal speed. Then speed up the level after 1 minute. And then you can add in the vanilla essence, which is 1 teaspoon. So then goes the powdered sugar. It should be added gradually at a time. Let the stiff peak. If you don't get the stiff peak, your cake won't be fluffy. Add in the oil, blend it for a while, then add in the milk finally. Now you have the wet and the dry ingredients separate. And in the meanwhile, you have to preheat your oven. Place the stand in the middle rack and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Do follow the way I have shown here. Now you have to add in the dry ingredients gradually to the beaten egg mixture. Do not whisk your cake. You have to cut and fold the mixture and keep in your mind not to mix your batter. You should not overmix your batter. And now take your baking tin, place a parchment paper to the size of your tin, apply some oil or butter to the sides of the tin, and now you can pour in the batter. And do not keep your batter for a long time. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together with the egg batter, bake it without any delay or else your cake wouldn't rise and it would turn a bit hard also. Now double tap your baking. My oven is preheated for 10 minutes and now I'm setting it to 20 minutes more. After 20 minutes, do check the cake whether it's done or not. Place a toothpick in the middle and check whether it comes out clean. Now let the cake completely cool. The color is so pleasant and it's perfectly baked. Now we shall prepare some ganache to spread on top. You need 1 cup fresh cream, 3 tablespoon butter, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 4 to 5 tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix the cocoa powder and the powdered sugar in low speed. Here, this cake weighs 570 grams exactly. If you want 1 kg, then you can double up the quantity. Now, let's spread some ganache onto this. You can do any of your decorations. I just want it to be simple, so added some chocolate chips on top. Now let me cut the cake and show you how is it. You see it's too soft and moist and spongy inside. It's too easy to bake if you try it out with the exact measurements of what I have mentioned. It's a simple cake with yummy taste and richness in chocolate ganache on top. Do try it out and give me your comments. I shall give the ingredients in the description box. Check it out. The kids will definitely love it. Keep watching my channel for more videos. Keep supporting and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Take care. Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.